Friends, the world of technology is changing faster than ever. Today, December 19th, 2025, Google has unveiled something extraordinary. Nano Banana 2 Pro, or Gemini 3 Pro image. This isn't just another AI image generator. It's an AI that truly understands reality. Previous AIs could create beautiful images, but they didn't know what they were painting. Nano Banana 2 Pro is a leap forward. It comprehends the world, not just imagines it. We're moving from artificial imagination to artificial understanding. Imagine an AI that creates images that are factually correct, historically accurate, and logically sound. It can look at a map, understand a city's layout, and generate a photorealistic image of you on a specific street. The possibilities are endless, and we're just beginning to explore them. So, what is Nano Banana 2 Pro? It's the next evolution of large language models, deeply integrated with visual and real-world logic. It's trained not just on text and images, but on the rules that govern our world: physics, history, geography, and storytelling. This isn't about making art anymore. It's about bridging the digital and physical worlds. It's a tool to help us build, learn, and create in ways we never imagined. The future is here, and it's more incredible than we thought. Get ready for a new era of AI. Nano Banana 2 Pro is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. The creative and practical impact will be massive. Let's dive in and see what this new AI can really do. Let's break down what makes Nano Banana 2 Pro different. Old AI models like Midjourney or DALL-E 2 were great at creating artistic, dreamlike visuals, but they were just guessing. They didn't truly understand what they were depicting, just patterns and probabilities. That's why you'd get six-fingered hands or inconsistent characters. Nano Banana 2 Pro is built on grounded knowledge. It connects images and concepts to a logical framework of reality. When you ask for a person, it knows human anatomy. 2 hands, 5 fingers each. If it's raining, the AI knows clothes should be wet and the pavement should reflect light. This is a game changer. Now, AI doesn't just guess, it knows. It can generate a bustling Mumbai market with accurate food stalls, clothing, and architecture. It's not pulling random images, it's constructing scenes with deep, contextual understanding. This is the moment AI becomes a powerful tool for professionals, not just a toy. The shift from guessing to knowing is the core of this revolution. Nano Banana 2 Pro is the first step toward truly intelligent image creation. Anyone who's tried to create a story with AI knows the pain of inconsistency. You'd design a detective with a scar and a brown trench coat, but the next image would change everything. Nano Banana 2 Pro fixes this with stable character models. Define your character. Let's say Vikram, 40, black hair, scar over his left eye, brown trench coat, and the AI locks in his digital DNA. Now, Vikram stays consistent across every scene, whether he's in a dark alley or a crowded cafe. Artists become directors, guiding the AI to build entire graphic novels or storyboards with ease. This democratizes storytelling. Anyone can bring their vision to life. The AI also tracks narrative continuity. If Vikram's coat tears in one scene, it stays torn until you say otherwise. This is more than generating images. It's building a living, coherent world. Actions have consequences, and characters have persistent identities. The AI understands not just appearance, but story logic. This unlocks new creative freedom for filmmakers, writers, and artists. No more disconnected images. Now, you get a seamless visual narrative. Nano Banana 2 Pro is the ultimate storytelling partner. Consistency and continuity are finally possible with AI. The future of visual storytelling starts here. History comes alive with Nano Banana 2 Pro. This AI can reconstruct historical scenes with breathtaking accuracy, not just colorize old photos. It rebuilds moments in time based on real historical facts. Give it data from Pompeii, and it generates a photorealistic walkthrough of the city before the eruption. It fills the streets with people in accurate Roman clothing, doing daily activities. The AI can show the Taj Mahal's construction over years, with evolving structures and aging workers. This is a dynamic, living reconstruction of history. Historians, archaeologists, and museums can now visualize the past like never before. It's not just about reading history, it's about seeing it unfold. Nano Banana 2 Pro is a time machine for our eyes. Nano Banana 2 Pro integrates real-world geographic data for stunning realism. Give it GPS coordinates, and it generates a photorealistic image of any real place on Earth. Architects and urban planners can visualize new projects in their actual locations instantly. Real estate agents and travel companies can create immersive, accurate visuals for clients. The AI can simulate different conditions: sunrise, rain, winter, at any location. Want to see Times Square at dawn in the rain? The AI delivers. This technology bridges the digital and physical worlds. It's a game changer for visualization and planning. See and reshape the world virtually before making real changes. Nano Banana 2 Pro gives us a godlike view of our planet. The future of location-based creativity is here. Old AIs struggled with multi-subject scenes. People looked odd, interactions felt fake. Nano Banana 2 Pro handles complex scenes with ease. Ask for a family of 5 at the gateway of India, and each person looks distinct and natural. The AI understands family dynamics and authentic poses. You can place yourself and friends in any environment: Amazon rainforest, city streets, and the AI integrates you seamlessly. Lighting, shadows, and details are perfectly adjusted. This isn't just for fun. Advertising, media, and journalism can all benefit. Create ad campaigns or news reconstructions without expensive photo shoots. The AI accurately places people and objects for clear, believable visuals. Creativity and communication are transformed. Nano Banana 2 Pro merges worlds and people like never before. Nano Banana 2 Pro isn't just an artist, it's an engineer. Trained on technical manuals and scientific texts, it understands machines, biology, and complex diagrams. Show it a car engine, and it generates an accurate exploded view diagram, labeling every part. Mechanics, engineers, and students get instant, reliable visualizations. Doctors can visualize surgeries. Electricians can fix wiring diagrams, all with AI assistance. The AI's creativity is grounded in facts and logic. It can't make things up in technical fields. It follows real-world rules. Professionals in STEM fields now have a super intelligent assistant. Visualize, diagnose, and solve problems faster than ever. Nano Banana 2 Pro is a game changer for technical understanding. The launch of Nano Banana 2 Pro is a turning point for AI. We're moving from AI that mimics creativity to AI that understands the world like we do. It's not just an imagination engine. It's a knowledge and reality engine. The AI fact-checks itself, cross-referencing historical records and real-world data. This grounded vision makes AI a tool for truth, not misinformation. Users now have creative control, lock in characters, edit scenes, blend real data with imagination. Human creativity and AI are now true partners. This will spark a new golden age of innovation in art, science, and engineering. The question isn't if AGI is coming, but how close we are. An AI that understands reality, logic, and history is knocking on the door of general intelligence. We're living in the most exciting time in human history. The future is unfolding right now. Nano Banana 2 Pro is leading the way.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.